Hello again. Today we're going to talk about that annoying ANK, ANK, ANK sound that you hear over your radio or see over your TV sometimes, and is followed by some kind of a weather advisory. Well, I want to make sure you understand the difference between a flash flood or severe thunderstorm watch or warning. When you stop and think about it, it's really pretty simple. A watch means just that, kind of like you're watching out that there is the possibility of some kind of bad weather, either that flash flood or the severe thunderstorm or a tornado. Then when you hear a warning, think, like warning, warning, danger, Will Robinson. A warning means that that bad weather, whatever it is either happening right now or is about to happen. So now I hope you understand the difference between a watch and a warning in that wacky world of ANK, ANK, ANK weather advisories. Nathan Tenenbaum, thanks for stopping by, and I hope all your days are mostly sunny. Good night now. Where do you hit stop on this thing? Oh, there it is.